Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on with you guys? Today on the menu, I'm going to do some pigtail. I'm gonna jerk some pigtail, guys. So this is my pigtail cut up, and these are the seasons that I'm going to use. But here we're going, I am not going to boil out the salt out of the pigtail. I'm going to use some lemon. So them three bad boy there over there, so them three lemon there. A matter of fact, four of them are going to use. I'm going to squeeze the juice of them on the pigtail and leave it overnight, 24 hours to soak out the salt. So after soaking out the salt, I am going to season it with all of these earth seasoning that you're looking at right here. So stay with me. I'm gonna walk you through this journey. Jerk pigtail. And that's a going down a yard there in a Pally's little kitchen. Yeah, guys. Jerk pigtail. Squeezing out with lemon on the pigtail. As I tell you, we're not going to boil out the salt. We're going to use lemon. And you know lemon a bigger thing than lime, so you get a lot of juice from the lemon. So I'm using 4 lemons. And I'm gonna let this sit. Hey guys, what's going on? And I am back with my pigtail to show you how I season it. I use a lot of earth seasoning. As you can see, it has been sitting in some lemon water for a couple hours. So I throw that away and I clean it up. And now I am in the process of the seasoning process. So that is what taking place here. Right now, as you can see, a lot of earth seasoning. So it's gonna sit in this earth seasoning until the next day. Yeah, I'm leaving it to marinate. Properly marinate. So next time you see this, it's gonna be jerk and nice, ready to eat. Yeah, man. Stay with me if you want to know how to jerk pigtail. So I am going to wrap this now. And then put this inside of my fridge. So I eat that, guys, straight in the fridge. This is going now. Hey guys, wagwan. So this is our pigtail. I'm gonna put this in the pot now. So I'm gonna remove the wrapping. All right, look at that. That is well marinated. Should I say marinated? Yeah, look at that. I'm going over to the pot now, guys. This is going to go into the pot now. I'm gonna boil this 1 time. I'm not gonna boil it 2 or 3 times. Because remember, we don't use our lemon already, I let it sit in the lemon, soak in the lemon for a period of time. So here we are now. Boiling process in action. See pot there boil, guys. A bimbo that, good old Dutchy that. So I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna place my pigtail in the boiling water to boil off just 1 time. Yeah. All right. So next you will see this is when I'm checking on it. Go to cool them bad. Go to cool them bad, guys. Watch them, man. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah, guys. See it there? This pigtail well marinated. So everything is in the pot to boil off now. As you can see, it's a bad boy scotch bonnet pepper there. Yeah, I show up himself. Alright, so we're gonna boil this off. So stay with me. So I'm checking on my pigtail. It's coming on nicely, boiling nicely. That is what we want to see. pot a bubble. Yup, look at that. Releasing all of this flavor in my pigtail. Pot a bubble, guys. If you hear any noise, any dog barking, I am on the outside as usual. But you're supposed to know that by this, anytime you see this type of settings, you know I am on the outside. Anytime you see this type of settings, the cool settings, yeah. That means I am on the outside. Alright? So guys, our pigtail has finished boil. And as you can see, all the seasoning is still with it. So you know this season release everything in the pigtail. So I'm removing it from the pot now to put it on the grill to jerk it. Yeah? So I boil this for 2 hours. And you know it depending on the meat texture. You know the texture of the meat. The softer the meat is, the lesser time it takes. So I'm removing this now to put it on the grill to jerk it. My jerk pigtail, guys, yes. My newest dish on the block. Stay with me. Look at our pigtail just removed from the pot. Look at that steam. Just removed from the pot. So I'm gonna dip it in my sauce that I have made now and put it on the grill. Don't worry guys, I'll list everything in the description box below. What I used to make the sauce and all of these things, so don't worry about that. So we are ready to put our pigtail on the grill. First thing first, make sure your grill is hot and your coal is not too, don't use too much coal, you don't want to burn it up. So this is our jerk pigtail. Yes guys, this is our jerk pigtail. So I'm gonna take this off in the next 10 seconds. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna plate it. And you guys are going to see the sauce that I have made to go with this. To enjoy with this. Yeah. So the newest thing on my block, jerk pigtail. So my jerk pigtail has finished and I am going to plate it now for you all to see. This is so nice guys. I taste a piece and trust me, couldn't contain myself. It's like I just want to eat it up. But you know, I have to show you guys what it look like and how lovely it is. So I will put the link in the description box for you all to go ahead and do it and taste how lovely this is. All right. Hey my peeps, what's popping? How you all are doing? I hope you're all right still. So I'm showing off my new venture, my jerk pigtail. As you can all see, tastes very nice and it tastes good. You see those color? Lovely. And that's my sorrel sauce over there. That's my new venture also. My sorrel sauce, spicy sorrel sauce. So I will list everything that I've used. I will list it in the description box. So you can check that out. Alright, so you can go ahead and do your jerk pigtail. Newest venture. Don't forget to like, comment, share, click the notification bell and subscribe. Because guess what, guys? You know what, miss nothing we are going down a yard here in a Polly's little kitchen. Yeah? You want to know every time I do a new dish, you first get the notification. Alright? So you can leave a star, give me a star, leave a comment, a like, share. So you know you can't cook and don't taste your pot. You know that, guys. So here what now. I'm gonna dive into some of this. So let me taste this. Let me first. So this is my dipping sauce, my sorrel sauce, my new venture. Mmm. Oh my God. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mmm.